Hello everyone, my name is Usman. In this video, I'm going to show you how to implement 6 feature in MS Word like bold, italic, underline, strike through, subscript and superscript. So to implement those things, you have to write some words in work area and you have to look at ribbon in font section. Then first of all, I am going to implement bold feature. Then I decided to bold English word. Then I select English word and click on B. P for bold. Okay, so I am click on it and the word is become bold. And if you want to remove bold, then you will select the English word and which area you bold, you will select that and click on again B. Then the bold feature will be deleted from the text, and bold feature shortcut is Ctrl B. So if you want to apply this feature with shortcut, then you have to apply Ctrl B. Then it will be bold. Okay, so I think this feature is covered and you understand. Next feature is italic. Okay, same things. You have to write some words and imagine which word you want to do italic. Then select this area and apply the italic feature. Okay, then I want to italic improving your English text. Then select this text and click on I for italic. Okay, then the text will be italic. Okay, so this is the ribbon bar and this is not shortcut. So if you want to implement with shortcut, then you have to select again and remove the italic section and click again and select the fit text again and click on Ctrl I. Okay, Ctrl I, then it will be italic. Okay, so this is the short form of italic feature. So yeah, I hope you can understand this. Then next part is U. U for underline and short form is Control U. So I want to underline the different platform text. Then select these two text and click on U for underline. Then these two text will be underline. And if you want to remove the underline, then you need to select, then you have to click U again, then the underline will be deleted. And if you want to apply with shortcut from, then you have to select this two word and apply Ctrl U shortcut from to apply underline. Okay, so this is the short form. So next feature is strike through. So if you want to apply middle text middle strike through line, then you have to apply the ABC strike through. I want to apply strike through in strategy word. So I select the strategy work and apply the strike through. Then the strategy is become strike through. If I want to remove strike through, then select again and click on ABC strike through, then the strike through will be deleted. So my next feature is subscript. What is subscript? It's a mathematical term, and if you need to write mathematical term like formula, then this will be help you a lot. So yeah, I am going to apply subscript. So I have write the a formula, then I want to use subscript into, then I select to and click on subscript, then the subscript apply in the text, then I want to apply superscript in next text, then click on superscript, then superscript is applied. So yeah, this is actually the tutorial part, and I want to recap again. So yeah, if you want to bold a specific text to highlight and prioritize the word and document, then B for bold will help you a lot. Then again is italic, I for italic, and its short form is control I. Then if you want to uh, italic a specific text, then you have to apply italic feature. If you want to underline some text or specific text, then you have to apply U for underline, and short form in is control U. Then our next is ABC. ABC is for strike through. If you want to apply strike through feature in your text, or if you go to e-commerce site and go to your any product, like you will see some product price is strike through and discounted price. So yeah, this is the strike through work, and strike through apply text middle line. Okay, so yeah, our then our two feature is subscript and superscript. Yeah, this is actually mathematical equation. So if you need to write mathematical equation, then this two feature will help you a lot. So yeah, so this is the tutorial for today's, and if you like this tutorial, please subscribe to my channel and like, comment and share my videos to your friends who is very passionate to learn Microsoft Word and internet base any skills. Okay, so yeah, thank you for watching again.